Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of storage technology to bring you the top 5 best M.2 NVMe SSD heatsinks on the market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or simply a tech enthusiast looking to optimize your system's performance, these heatsinks are sure to keep your SSD running cool and reliable. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Alloyseed M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink. The Alloyseed M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink, a game-changer in storage cooling technology designed to keep your SSD running at optimal temperatures for superior reliability and performance. Crafted with premium aluminum alloy construction and featuring innovative spiral airflow design, this heatsink offers comprehensive cooling solutions for gaming consoles and PCs alike. The solid aluminum alloy casing undergoes deep anodization, resulting in a sleek and corrosion-resistant surface that not only looks refined but also ensures durability over time. The precision-cut design and sandblasted heat sink guarantee excellent heat dissipation, maintaining a high-quality finish while effectively removing heat generated during operation. The unique spiral airflow design of the Teucer M.2 Pro efficiently removes heat with the help of the internal fan, enhancing cooling capacity at the bottom of the SSD radiator. Equipped with 18 hollow intake holes, the base facilitates rapid heat transfer from the SSD to the heatsink, ensuring optimal cooling performance and keeping your SSD running at lower temperatures for superior reliability. Despite its robust cooling capabilities, the Alloyseed M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink maintains a slim and universal compatibility design. With a thickness of only 6.3 mm and the addition of a high-performance thermal pad measuring 0.5-1 mm, this heatsink adds a mere 6.8-7.3 mm to the installed SSD, making it suitable for PS5 gaming consoles and easy installation of high-speed PCIe of 4.0 M.2 SSDs. The Alloyseed M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to maximize the performance and reliability of their SSD. With its premium construction, innovative airflow design, and universal compatibility, this heatsink offers unbeatable cooling solutions for gaming consoles and PCs, ensuring your SSD stays cool and reliable even during the most intense gaming sessions. Next up at number 4, we have the Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink. The Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink, a revolutionary cooling solution designed to keep your SSD running at optimal temperatures for maximum performance and reliability. With its built-in silent rotating turbine cooling fan and double-sided all-aluminum design, this heatsink offers unparalleled heat dissipation capabilities for your M.2 solid-state drive. The active cooling system, powered by the silent rotating turbine cooling fan, ensures that heat is discharged quickly and efficiently, greatly improving the overall heat dissipation effect. Combined with the double-sided all-aluminum design, which fits closely to the SSD and assists in heat conduction, this heatsink can quickly take away heat, ensuring that your SSD stays cool even during intense usage. But functionality isn't the only thing that sets the Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink apart. The surface is treated with sandblasting and oxidation, resulting in a fine texture that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also resistant to corrosion and rust. Plus, the radiator interface provides power for the 3-pin power supply interface to connect to the motherboard fan interface, ensuring seamless integration with your existing setup. With its anodic oxidation surface treatment and groove design that increases the heat dissipation area, the Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink offers superior cooling performance that protects your hard disk data from overheating and potential loss. The Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to maximize the performance and reliability of their SSD. With its innovative design, superior cooling capabilities, and durable construction, this heatsink ensures that your SSD stays cool and reliable even during the most demanding tasks. Taking the number 3 spot is the Gudga M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink. The Gudga M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink, a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed to optimize the performance and longevity of your SSD. With its innovative air guide structure and high-quality thermal silica gel pad, this heatsink offers efficient heat dissipation and enhanced compatibility in a sleek and stylish package. The air guide structure of the Gudga heatsink ensures that heat is quickly and effectively removed from the SSD, helping to prevent overheating and slowdowns in performance. Despite its mini size, this heatsink packs a punch, delivering superior cooling capabilities without compromising on compatibility. Equipped with a high-quality thermal silica gel pad, the Gudga Heatsink conducts heat away from the SSD rapidly, further enhancing its cooling efficiency and ensuring that your SSD remains cool even during extended usage sessions. Say goodbye to slowdowns caused by overheating with the Gudga Heatsink. Your SSD will stay cool and reliable, allowing you to focus on what matters most. But functionality isn't the only thing that sets the Gudga Heatsink apart. The surface is treated with an anode sandblasting process, resulting in a fine texture that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also resistant to corrosion and rust. Plus, the clear edges and corners, simple lines, and metal texture create a sleek industrial-style design that adds a touch of sophistication to any setup. The Gudga M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink combines innovative design, high-quality materials, and superior cooling performance to provide the ultimate solution for keeping your SSD running smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, this heatsink is sure to enhance your SSD experience and ensure optimal performance for years to come. Coming in at number 2, we have the Jonsbo M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink. The Jonsbo M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink, a cutting-edge cooling solution designed to optimize the performance and lifespan of your SSD. With its innovative deflector-type design and high-quality thermal grease, this heatsink ensures efficient heat dissipation and reliable operation, even during intense usage. The Jonsbo Heatsink features an all-aluminum construction, processed with an anode blasting technique that gives it a fine texture and enhances its resistance to corrosion and rust. This ensures that the heatsink remains durable and aesthetically pleasing over time, maintaining its effectiveness in keeping your SSD cool and reliable. One of the standout features of the Jonsbo Heatsink is its deflector-type design, which facilitates efficient heat dissipation by directing airflow away from the SSD. This, coupled with the included high-quality thermal grease, ensures that heat is quickly conducted away from the SSD, preventing overheating and performance slowdowns. The heatsink's overall cooling performance is further enhanced by its unique stripe lines at the bottom, which increase the heat dissipation area and help to remove heat quickly and effectively. This ensures that your SSD remains cool and reliable, even during demanding tasks or extended usage sessions. Overall, the Jonsbo M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink is a top-of-the-line cooling solution that combines innovative design, high-quality materials, and superior performance to ensure that your SSD stays cool and reliable, even under the most demanding conditions. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, this heatsink is sure to enhance your SSD experience and provide peace of mind knowing that your data is protected from overheating. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Jeyi M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink. The Jeyi M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink, a premium cooling solution designed specifically for desktop computers to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your SSD. With its high-quality compatibility, superior cooling effect, durable construction, and rigorous quality inspection, this heatsink is guaranteed to meet the needs of even the most demanding users. Designed to fit a wide range of M.2 SSDs, including popular models like the Samsung 860 EVO, 960 EVO, 970 EVO, 970 Pro, 980 EVO, and 980 Pro, the Jeyi M.2 Heatsink offers exceptional compatibility, ensuring that your SSD is effectively cooled to prevent overheating and throttling. With a cooling effect of 10-30, this heatsink ensures that your SSD operates at a safe temperature, improving overall computer performance and reliability. Crafted from high-quality magnesium aluminum alloy, the Jeyi M.2 Heatsink boasts durability and reliability. The silver-plated, anodized surface treatment enhances corrosion resistance, hardness, wear resistance, insulation, and heat resistance, ensuring that the cooler can withstand the rigors of daily use and provide long-lasting performance. In addition to its superior construction, each Jeyi M.2 Heatsink undergoes rigorous quality inspection before being sent to you, ensuring that you receive a product that meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. With Jeyi's commitment to excellence, you can trust that your SSD is in good hands. Overall, the Jeyi M.2 NVMe SSD Heatsink is a top-of-the-line cooling solution that offers unmatched compatibility, cooling performance, durability, and quality assurance. Whether you're a casual user or a professional, this heatsink is sure to enhance the performance and longevity of your desktop computer, providing peace of mind knowing that your SSD is protected from overheating and throttling.